everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to do a simple program which will write to a file, and it will also overwrite the file as well using Spurt. So I'm just going to create a subroutine. I'll just try and make this a little bit bigger. A subroutine, whoops, not there, up here. So a subroutine called read file, and we're going to use user input for this. So first of all, I've got a file which is on my desktop, so I'm going to create the desktop path here. This is my desktop path in Windows. So users mark desktop. Okay, that's the path to my desktop in Windows. Your desktop path will be different to that, so don't try and use that or else it'll throw an error. Then we'll use CHDIR scalar path, so we're going to change into this path here. Right, okay, we're going to create a scalar variable called file name. I'm going to assign this to prompt, which will get the user input, and tell the user what to do. Enter a file name. So the user can enter a file name there. Right. Going to come down and use a conditional now, so we're going to evaluate things. So we use if and then scalar file name .io input output stream .f for file, not capital F, ordinary F, lowercase. So we're going to tell the user using say writing to file, but I'm going to use file name here. Writing to file name here, and I'm going to show the destination path where we're writing to. So that will give the name of the file name that we're writing to and the path where it is. And then we're going to pause it using sleep for 1 second. And then we're going to continue. We're going to create another scalar variable called data. We're going to assign that to prompt. And then we're going to tell the user what to do. Enter data. So the user will just type in a random string. Now we're going to use Spurt to write the file. So we say scalar file name, and then the scalar data, which will be the string that we're going to write into the file. And then we're going to use say again, tell the user file has been written to. So there we go, file has been written to. And then, because it's an if statement, we're going to have to finish it off with else. So this is like a catch-all here. So we're going to have to break them some bad news. So say, I'm going to use the scalar file name here. Couldn't be found. Okay, that looks about right. All I have to do now is to call the program. You call it by its name, so it's called read file. do is save it, and then we run it in the terminal. Raku test dot Raku. Hit enter. Okay, so it's telling us to enter a file name here. Okay, so the file is on the desktop. It's called test. So I'm just going to type in test.txt. Hit enter, and it's told us writing to test.txt here, and that's where the file is located. So what we're going to do now, we're going to enter some data or a string. So I'm just put hello from the terminal. Hit enter, and it says file has been written to, so let's see if it has been written to. Let's click on that. Hello from the terminal. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.